Namaskar, welcome to MOHUA'S kitchen. Today I'm going to make the perfect fudgy brownie, not the cakey one, with some tips, and it's very easy. Let's start. Firstly, I will grease an 8-inch pan with butter or oil and add the parchment paper into it. See the way I'm adding? I have taken here 100 grams of unsalted butter. I will melt it and 160 grams of cooking chocolate or dark chocolate. I will chop the cooking chocolate so that it melts quickly into the micro oven. While melting the chocolate, I will add 1 teaspoon of oil or butter. By the meantime, my butter is melted. I will add it into the mixing bowl, and then I will add 1/3 cup of brown sugar and half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix it well. And few drops of vanilla essence into it. And I will add 3 eggs in batches and mix it well. After mixing it for a few minutes, I will add the melted chocolate into it, mix it well for about 2 minutes, and then I will add half a cup of all-purpose flour or maida into it. I will sieve it and I will add. Now I will mix it with hand. I have not used here cocoa powder as I have used the chocolate here, so you can skip cocoa powder. I have skipped the cocoa powder and it tastes yummy. After mixing it well, I will add some chopped almonds into it, mix it, and then I will pour this into a greased pan. Tap it few times to get rid of the air bubbles and place it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes or till it is done. The tips is that to make fudgy brownie, you need not to add baking powder or soda. You just need to add more butter, more chocolate, and less flour. And this is the perfect fudgy brownie, moist, super moist. Enjoy it with ice cream. And do subscribe my channel to get more. Bye bye till then.